Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech K380. In this video I'll show you how to install batteries. To install batteries to your keyboard, take a look at the bottom of it. Lift this cover up and now prepare two AAA batteries. Place it here and push it. Again. Now close it, and to turn it on, switch this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.